Welcome back, friends, to another episode of Golden Whispers because Usha inspires aspirations. Friends, this is a 2 to 5 minute series of daily reflections that aspire to ignite your passions, broaden your horizons, and guide you towards a life filled with a purpose. So get ready to be uplifted and motivated every day with Golden Whispers because Usha inspires aspirations and cultivate a journey of personal growth together. ये श्रृंखला आपकी प्रेरणाओं को जगाती है और आपके उद्देश्यपूर्ण जीवन की ओर मार्गदर्शन कराती है। ये एक कोशिश है। दिस इज एन एफर्ट so as to improve on your self confidence, on your self development. So today's topic is, friends, stay determined. दृढ़ निश्चय होना चाहिए। जो भी करो निश्चय करो, पूरा पक्का। So staying determined means maintaining a strong commitment to achieving your goals despite obstacles or challenges. चाहे कितने भी challenges आए, हम अपने determined goals से नहीं हटने वाले. We have to walk the path. It involves persistence, resilience, and a focused mindset that keeps you moving forward even when things get tough. So it is said, tough times never last long, but tough people do. So if you are tough enough, if you are determined enough, if you are determined on your goals, दृढ़ निश्चय कर चुके हो, वही अचीव करना है, चाहे कितने भी चैलेंजेस आ जाए, चाहे कितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाए, हम अपनी गोल से फोकस्ड अप्रोच से नहीं हटने वाले. जब एक डिसीजन हो चुका है, then we will be achieving our goals, friends. So the importance of staying determined lies in its ability to drive a long-term success. Determination helps you to overcome setbacks, build resilience, and stay motivated. It is a key factor in achieving goals that require sustained efforts and dedication. So nothing happens without consistency. मतलब once in a full moon मैंने काम किया और बस वही दोहराता गया, मैं इतना अच्छा काम करता था. What's the use? It's of no use. You're not proceeding further at all. It means that you were not determined. But if you are determined, the challenges will not let you down, or you will not give up on the challenge, or you will not succumb to the challenges. Then the goals will be achieved in the set time, in the set manner. Yes, it can be done. So it motivates you because आपने जो निश्चय किया वो कर दिया आपने. So एक सेट कर दिया एग्जाम्पल कि ये कर सकता है. This is possible irrespective of the challenges. That was more important. So when you are setting up the goals, you should be so determined that you never give up on the goals. You have to walk the path. जब तक आप सेट करोगे नहीं ना, तब तक एग्जाम्पल बनने वाला भी नहीं है. People are working on the stereotype. They fear going out of box. बाबा कौन करेगा, प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो कैसे करेंगे, ऐसा थोड़ी कोई करता है. लेकिन एग्जाम्पल सेट होने के बाद the people follow you. So what is better? Set an example rather than being in the stories only. जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था, ये कहानी सुनने के लिए तो नहीं, इसके लिए मैं नहीं बना. You should be setting up the examples of achievements, of successes, of setting up the goals, and that is what we are here for. We started this series with the same purpose, change of mindset from restricted mindset to growth mindset. That was the intention, and that is what we are following, friends. So in this process, you should be able to set clear goals, define your goals very clearly, remain focused, walk towards the goals on daily basis. Consistency is the key. You cannot give up. किसी भी दिन कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाए, लेकिन हमें ये सोचना है, we have to reflect on our actions for the day, whether we have moved towards our goals small by small, bit by bit, step by step, on each and every day. That is important. So the progress gets defined once you have focused approach and determined approach. अगर आप चल रहे हो रोज थोड़ा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन फोकस अप्रोच से चलना है और रोज चलना है अपनी गोल की तरफ. अपना दृढ़ निश्चय रखना है कि I have to achieve the goals. Progress will fall in line, is defined It cannot be, it cannot go away. So you should recognize that and celebrate your progress. Once you achieve the goals, you should celebrate it. That gives you boost, the motivation part that is required to move further. You should be able to visualize your success. Unless and until you have got the vision, you will not be able to set the clear goals. So if you are not having the setting the clear goals, you will not be able to walk towards the goals. विजुअलाइजेशन है, कुछ सोच ही नहीं है, तो आप क्या बन गए? वॉन्डरर। ऐसे ही क्या कर रहे हो? कुछ नहीं। ये कुछ नहीं, ये कमाल वाली बात है ना। मतलब तुम क्या करने अभी आजकल में कुछ नहीं करता। Isn't it something astonishing that a person sitting at home or anywhere he is answering your question, आजकल क्या करते नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं करता। तो ये कहा जाता है जो लोग कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल करते हैं। They're wasting their time, they're wasting their life, isn't it? We are not here to answer these questions in this way. You should be able to tell at any point of time, at any age doesn't matter. What are you doing? You should be able to define what you are doing. That's life. And that's what we are here for. We should set an example. We should come out of the stereotype of the things. The people are used to stereotype of tips. Unless and until someone takes the steps and sets the example, the others will follow automatically. Because people like success, but they are afraid of the path. They are afraid that they are not determined. They are afraid of the challenges. That is why they are not determined. So, you have to be determined. You have to be persistent. But you cannot afford to lose your focus. So, if at all you have some issues with this part, you can always seek support. Yes, people are there to help you. Your near and dear ones, your elderly people, the experienced people, they are there to help you. The professionals, there are so many people available nowadays on the your platforms, the social media. You can seek support from anyone, but you have to walk the path. You can be guided, not forced. We can be you can be taken towards the pond, but cannot be forced to drink the water. That action you will have to do by yourself only. Sorry. So, friends, be determined, and success is yours. I sign off on this note, friends, and we meet again in another episode of Golden Whispers because Rishi inspires aspirations. Till then, goodbye. Enjoy the day, friends. Enjoy the life. It is a one time activity. Do enjoy.